So for gold, I mark up the open of the candle right there. So if we were to look at the open of this candle right here is the close of the previous candle. So I just extend that forward. And then I do about 50% of the actual previous candle, because generally that's about where the wicks come down, you know, a little bit beyond 50%. This sort of makes sense when you start getting down into lower time frames to see where actually everything plays out. So once I've marked it up, then what I do is I'll go down on the daily time frame down to the 30-minute time frame. From down here, I'm just looking for areas in the past that make sense on where I can actually see where price is going to go. And so get a push down into that area right there, and we get a strong reaction from there, which would have been the entry after that. The idea being, once that reaction happens and continues on the other direction, that is the wick of the previous candle, and we should go up from here. So that would have been a nice, 1 to 2 if I was able to get into that. But that's that. Bitcoin was the same way. And I was actually in this trade doing the exact same thing, but instead on the daily and the 30-minute, I was on the 4-hour and 5-minute.